Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's just see another problem based on exceptional handling where we are going to use the try, except and finally block. Okay, so the problem is here dictionary key lookup with final notification. So the task basically is saying us try to get a value from a dictionary using a user entered. Okay, user entered key handling missing, handle missing keys and always print a closing message. Okay, let me just try to create a student scores list, and whatever the user is trying to enter the name, it should reflect. Okay, so I'm just going to create out the dictionary here with the name as, let's say, Kajal, which is going to store out 89. Okay, and I have another pair, let's say Ravi, which is going to score the 78. Okay, so this is the dictionary. I want to do the try block. So here, first of all, I'm going to take the input from user of name. It's going to ask the enter name. Okay, it is going to ask to user. So further, by the help of f string, we are going to get the name, and I can just do one thing, like if I'm pressing out Amit, so Amit's name, okay, score is, so I can give here um, student score, right? And I can just pass out the name, so I can just get the value of the key. I'll just use out the except block. Let's say we are having the key error, okay, because this is a dictionary and key error could be raised. So we are just going to use the print statement that student is not in the list. Okay, so this exception is going to be executed, and finally we know that, okay, just simply finally. Okay, if I'm just trying to run the program, let's say I'm just going to enter Kajal. Okay, so Kajal's score is 89. Finally is always running, right? If I'm just going to score a name which is not present, you can see we are going to get the error. Okay, if I'm just running it again, I'm just trying to get the Amit. Exceptional is running, that student is not in the list. What we did, we have created try except and fly. Finally, we have entered the input from user, right? We have given out f string, like if name scores is student scores, we have given the key here so that we could get the value, right? If in case this is not valid, this is totally not going to run. Okay, so this except is going to run, and of course finally is going to run each and every time, right? So I hope you guys understood the concept. Thank you.